Everywhere you look, people are losing focus. You open your phone to check one notification, and suddenly 20 minutes disappear. You sit down to work, and your mind jumps to 10 different things. And the worst part? You know you're distracted, but you can't stop it. Today, let's talk about why the modern world is stealing your attention, and more importantly, how you can take it back. No complicated tricks. Just simple, practical guidance that actually works. The real reason you can't focus anymore. We live in a world designed to keep your attention hostage. Apps compete for your time. Ads chase you everywhere. Your phone is built to reward you with tiny hits of dopamine. This is not your fault. Your brain is fighting a system engineered to distract you. But here's the truth nobody says enough. Your focus is a muscle, and if you don't train it, you lose it. Reason 1. Overloaded brain. Your brain wasn't designed to handle hundreds of micro-decisions a day. Scroll or not. Reply or ignore. Click or swipe. This constant mental noise reduces your ability to stay with one thought for long. Your brain gets tired, not from working, but from switching. The solution. Start practicing single tasking. Pick one activity. Do nothing else. Even if it's for 10 minutes. You'd be shocked how powerful 10 distraction-free minutes can be. Reason 2. Constant dopamine hits. Every ping, every swipe, every like, gives you a tiny reward. Slowly, your brain becomes addicted to quick stimulation. And real work, reading, studying, building something, feels boring. Not because it is boring, but because it doesn't give instant dopamine. The solution. Introduce friction between you and your distractions. Put your phone in another room while working. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use Do Not Disturb for at least 30 minutes a day. Small barriers create massive improvement in focus. Reason 3. No deep rest. Focus doesn't come from more hard work. Comes from enough recovery. Most people don't rest. They simply switch screens. Scrolling is not rest. Binge watching is not rest. Your brain needs real breaks. The solution. Try the 3-type rest rule. Physical rest. Stretch, walk, step outside. Mental rest. Sit quietly for 5 minutes without input. Emotional rest. Talk to someone or write your thoughts down. When your mind is rested, focus becomes natural. Reason 4. Lack of clear priorities. Sometimes you can't focus because you don't know what to focus on. Your to-do list has 20 items. Your brain picks none. The solution. Use the rule of 3. Every morning, list your top 3 tasks. Not 10. Not 15. Just 3. If everything is important, nothing is important. Reason 5. Environment is against you. A noisy room, messy desk, open tabs, open apps. Your environment shapes your attention. The solution. Design a focus zone. It can be a corner, a desk, or even a specific chair. When you sit there, your brain knows. This place is for work. Environmental cues are powerful. The simple 10-minute focus reset. If you feel unfocused, try this quick reset. Put your phone in another room. Take a 1-minute deep breath break. Write down one task. Work on it for 10 minutes. Take a 2-minute break. Repeat. This is the same method used by top performers, students, programmers, writers. Because it works. Your brain doesn't need perfection. It needs direction. The mindset shift you need. You don't get focus. You build it. You don't lose focus. You train distraction. Every choice you make, scrolling or staying present, shapes your brain. And the good news? You can retrain that brain anytime you decide. If you feel like the world is pulling your attention in 100 directions, you're not alone. But you are in control. Start small. Train your focus like a muscle, and your life will change in ways you can't even imagine. Tell me in the comments, what distracts you the most these days? And if you want more simple, powerful, problem-solving videos like this, hit subscribe. More life-changing clarity coming your way.